Welcome to another unboxing. I know this is from the US Mint. I actually have two. I believe they're going to be two different items. And just so that some of you can skip ahead, well actually you probably saw it in the title. This will be underwhelming because I have for some reason not canceled my subscription on the Morgans and Peace dollars that come out. And now what are we entering? The fourth year? And I mean, frankly, not the smartest from an investment perspective. I do not believe they have actually been selling out since the first 2 years. So here it is, a 2025 Morgan dollar San Francisco. Earlier in the year, I received the Morgan and Peace Philadelphia. And the crazy thing is, as nice as the coins are and as much as people love them, the reality is that you can actually get them cheaper by not buying them from the Mint. And if you look around, you can get Morgan and Peace dollars already slabbed for cheaper than this was. Looking at the bill, I paid $95 a coin now, and you're paying $5 for shipping and handling. So $100 for a coin that I can probably get in a couple months for as low as 89. Okay. Let me take it out of the packing here. This is a 99.9% silver. It's 0.859 troy ounces, so it's actually more ounces by a tenth, a little bit over a tenth of an ounce more than what you'd find in an original Morgan or Peace dollar. I don't know if anyone wants to share in the comments what the reasoning was behind that. Was it they were trying to match the size, and because this is pure silver, they had to go for a little bit more? I just don't know the background on it. Okay. I mean, it's certainly cameo. This is a Morgan Silver proof dollar. Okay. From the San Francisco Mint. Let's see if I can get the camera to focus in. My 2025 almost looks like it's a double. I don't know if that's my glasses. I'll set that right there. And let's open up the next box. Okay, this is the Peace. So the previous one that's still sitting right there for you to look at is the Morgan. The lids are on nice and tight. It'll be interesting how long the Mint is going to continue producing these. I suppose if individuals keep buying them, they will keep running this collection. So it'll be interesting to see how many of you like this video. If you're new and you like it, definitely please subscribe. But I believe a lot of my subscribers aren't necessarily interested in U.S. Mint products, but I do continue to buy random products, so as I get them, I'll throw them up here for you to look at. I mean, this is a gorgeous proof Cameo. I mean, it is fantastic. So maybe that's what keeps me going. Looks like there's a little bit of, I don't know if that would detect, it looks like there's a little mark on the wing, a little area that doesn't have that Cameo matte effect. But yeah, this is a stunner. I mean, yeah, I have to admit I do like them. I just, not the best when they're making 500,000 of these, I believe. There's not a lot. There's definitely enough to go around. Years from now, these will be sitting on the shelves in the original government packaging for you to buy. Thank you for joining.